In this quick guide, you'll learn how to fix a closed Capital One account. If you've found yourself in this situation, don't worry, there are a few steps you can take to address it. First and foremost, get in touch with Capital One customer service as soon as you can. It's crucial to confirm why your account was closed. Closures can occur for several reasons, such as missed payments, inactivity, or even routine account reviews. By contacting customer service, you'll be able to get a clear understanding of what led to this decision. Knowing the exact reason is key to determining your next steps. Once you've identified the cause, the next step is to pay any outstanding balance if you still owe money. Clearing up any dues is important because it helps prevent additional fees and can also minimize the impact on your credit score. Even if the account is closed, outstanding balances can lead to further complications, so it's best to settle them promptly. After addressing any debts, take a moment to review your credit report. It's essential to ensure that everything is being reported accurately, especially regarding the closed account. Look out for any discrepancies or errors that might need to be corrected. Mistakes on your credit report can affect your credit score, so keeping it accurate is beneficial for your financial health. If your account was closed by Capital One, be aware that such closures are often final. Unfortunately, reopening the same account may not be possible. In this case, your best option might be to apply for a new card. When considering this route, make sure you understand the terms and conditions of any new account to avoid similar issues in the future. And that's how to address a closed Capital One account. While having an account closed can be inconvenient, following these steps can help mitigate the impact and set you on the right track. Remember to always stay on top of your payments and keep an eye on your credit report to maintain a healthy financial profile. Thank you for watching and best of luck in resolving your account situation.